Apple just dropped a bombshell, a $100 billion investment into US manufacturing. But here's the twist nobody saw coming. It might lead to the biggest iPhone camera upgrade ever, and yes, we're talking 200 megapixels. According to a new report out of Korea, Apple is teaming up with Samsung for CMOS image sensors, the chips that power your iPhone's camera. These sensors will reportedly be mass-produced at Samsung's Texas facility, starting March 2026. And that timing lines up perfectly with the iPhone 18 launch window. As we know, Apple has been stuck at 48 megapixel sensor since the iPhone 14 Pro. Meanwhile, Samsung's been flexing with 200 megapixel sensors in their Galaxy flagships. And now? Apple might finally make the jump, giving photographers insane detail, sharper zoom, and better low-light shots thanks to modern pixel binning tech. Here's the crazy part: Apple has relied on Sony for every iPhone camera sensor, ever. But talks with Samsung started last year, wrapped earlier this year, and now Sony could be left scrambling. Rumor is, Sony's working on its own 200 megapixel sensor, but it might be too late to beat Apple's Samsung deal. If this report is true, it could be a real game changer, with the biggest leap in iPhone photography since the 7 Plus added the telephoto zoom. So, what do you think? Will Apple's 200 megapixels iPhone crush the competition? Or is this just another megapixel war? Drop your thoughts below.